What are you doing over there, Peaches? I'm just saying, what are you doing? What are you doing down there? Oh, come to say hi? You sure are a nice bird. Aren't you a nice bird? Yeah, you are. What a cutie you are. Good thing you had that bath last week. Remember? Remember when you had the bath at Mom's house? Yeah, that's a good thing. Look how nice you look now. Holy smokes. They ought to put you on a calendar. I'm just saying. You sure are a good-looking bird. What's that? Were you trying to tell me something? Oops. Yeah, those fleas are bad, aren't they? Yeah, I know how that is. Oh, I gotta go turn the pork chop over. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Pete.